Hello, welcome back. Let's boost the bass level of an audio track. For example, this one in Premiere Pro. So the music track that we just heard sounds so cool and catchy, but the bass level, which is the amount of depth or this oomphy, bold element, is not elevated or boosted enough. So let's boost the bass level by typing graphic under effects and then drag the graphic equalizer with 10 bands into the audio track and then click on edit, and then afterwards, as you can see, the left sliders represent the bass sliders while the right ones represent the treble sliders. So all you have to do to increase the bass level is to drag the left sliders just like this. Make sure that the distance between the sliders or the knobs is not so far, just like this. And then when you're done, see, looks kinda curvy. They form this curvy kind of path, and then when you're done, it will sound like this. Really boosted. Now there's this oomphy kind of element in this music track that really gets into you, right? Gets into the ears. And then you can even choose one of the presets, which is simple bass lift, so that it's not so oomphy, it's not so bold, but still have the bass level increased, and it's so strong, and then it will sound like this. Listen to the bassy drum in the beginning, really bold now, but it's not so strong, just like what we edited earlier. That's how you can increase the bass level in Premiere Pro for your audio tracks. Thank you for watching. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.